now that we have completed all of the rows, you'll open up your yarn holder, put the remaining yarn in the middle, make sure it stays underneath this last white hook's needle here, okay? Grab your darning needle. I prefer a bent tip. It'll make it easier when you have to grab the yarn to close out, and what that looks like is right here. You can see how it's bent tip. Okay. Go ahead and thread the needle with your yarn. Okay. So that your needle now has your yarn. And next, you're going to make sure, again, that this last needle has the yarn underneath it. And you're going to go ahead and crank. I like to hold it to make sure. I'm going to go ahead and crank 1 or 2. Okay. 1 with my finger to make sure it doesn't come undone. And you just put your yarn through from the center outward like this. Right in the middle there, and you got the yarn. Here you go. Because what we're going to do here is you're going to continue this with all the pins, and then we can close the tube. Okay, so just slowly pull your yarn through there. We're going to do that for each pin. So again, slowly, I like to do a few at a time, but for this demonstration I'll do one, and I hold this pin down so that the yarn doesn't escape, okay? Because then you'll have a drop stitch, and that would be bad. So we'll use the finger to hold it down, and use your needle, darning needle, to go up and catch that one, and grab the other one, okay? And again, if you're beginning to do this is your first time, I would only do 1 or 2 at a time. I like to sometimes do 5 at a time because I'm used to doing it now, but again, for this demonstration, I'll just do a couple. And again, I'm going to hold the next one down with my finger to ensure that it doesn't come off of the machine too fast, because then it's a big pain, because then you'll have a drop stitch. Grab that one, grab the next one, and here's the third one. Okay, so you're going to do this all 46 pins of your Addi Express King size, or if you have the Sentro, it'll be 48 pins, okay? Some people are real brave and they just undo the whole thing at once and then grab it with their needle, and I would not do that because I have already lost too many times where I've lost a stitch, and hold with your finger the next one, okay? Because you don't want to lose it, and use your darning needle to grab that stitch, grab the next stitch, and I just move my pinky over so that I don't lose any stitches as I grab them, because they like to pull up. Okay, and then after I do a few, I pull the yarn all the way through, place it back in the middle, and go around again. And I like to do a few at a time. Okay, so I have this one back here, move my finger, grab that stitch, move my finger, grab that stitch, move my finger, grab that stitch, move my finger, and grab that stitch, and then go ahead and pull the yarn all the way through. Okay, and then keep going around all 46 pins, or 48 if you have the Sentro. Okay, move your finger, grab the stitch, move your finger, grab your stitch, move your finger, grab your stitch.